Hi everyone and welcome back to Cosmax Indonesia YouTube channel. Di episode sebelumnya, kita membahas bagaimana proses kolaborasi kami dengan tim di Malaysia untuk memberikan hasil terbaik bagi klien kami di seluruh Asia Tenggara. Kali ini kita akan membahas lebih dalam lagi tentang apa yang kami lakukan di Cosmax Indonesia, yaitu mewujudkan visi dan misi produk kecantikan Anda. Seperti pada episode sebelumnya, tim kami melakukan market research secara menyeluruh untuk memahami kebutuhan dan preferensi unik target pasar setiap klien. Tapi bagaimana ya cara kami menerjemahkan data ini menjadi produk kosmetik yang unggul? Di Cosmax Indonesia, kami bukan menawarkan pendekatan one size fits all. Kami mendukung adanya customization, di mana kami telah mengembangkan serangkaian formula inovatif baru yang dapat disesuaikan dengan branding atau pendekatan pasar setiap klien. Kami akan bertemu dengan Anda untuk mendiskusikan visi, target pasar, dan branding Anda. Baik itu untuk startup ataupun beauty brand yang sudah mapan, tim ahli kami akan bekerja sama dengan Anda untuk memahami kebutuhan dan tujuan spesifik Anda. Berdasarkan diskusi ini dan market research kami, selanjutnya kami akan menghadirkan berbagai pilihan formula yang dapat disesuaikan lebih lanjut. Kami dapat menyesuaikan aspek-aspek seperti tekstur, finish, bahan baku, dan bahkan fragrance agar sesuai dengan branding masing-masing klien. Itulah sebabnya kami menawarkan fleksibilitas yang tinggi dalam proses customization ini. Maka dari itu, tidak menutup kemungkinan bagi para brand di luar Indonesia untuk bekerja sama dengan Cosmax Indonesia. Lantas bagaimana ya pendapat beauty brand partner overseas kami? Yuk kita simak pendapat mereka tentang gimana sih rasanya bekerja sama dengan Cosmax Indonesia.
Actually, it's simple. The reason why I'm choosing Cosmac because Cosmac has its own technology. They have their own research department, and their business ethic and their process flow is to me great. One of the reasons also, Cosmac is very innovative. They are keep up to date about what's trends on the market. So it does help me as a business owner of the skincare. It helps me to ensure my brand always leading in the very competitive market, especially in Malaysia.
So of course, I know PT Cosmax from the time that I was working in Indonesia with Mendem Indonesia. When I was back in the Alliance Cosmetic in 2019, then I start to communicate with Mr. Cheong and to see the potential of developing products for Silkygirl for our territory. We are in Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei. We also export our brand and our products to the various countries outside these three countries, of course Indonesia. We are also in Vietnam, Philippines, Myanmar, Mongolia. In terms of the knowledge about PT Cosmax, I know that they actually produce very good quality cosmetic products. That's also one of the importance to develop more this kind of good quality cosmetic products for Silkygirl.
The first terms come into my mind is very professional, and they are very innovative, and they can solve all the questions or the problems that we raise to them. So for me, it's very professional. My expectation maybe is here, then it's really, Cosmax is outperformed, it's really out of my expectation, it's very good. And to my surprise, they have a lot of support in terms of their R&D and also their panel testing that really will help us in the building of products or the brands. If to compare our others OEM manufacturer, I would say that Cosmax provides a full package from the formulations, the packaging, sourcing, the expert in terms of advising us in terms of the product registrations, as well as after the formulation is done, the stability test or the efficacy test, everything is included. So it's like a one-stop service for everything. It will really ease us in terms of the development process and also shorten the timeline, I would say that.
If I were to rate out of 10, I'll give 9.5 over 10. No, seriously. I've been dealing with Malaysian market, and I think so far the best process is when we're dealing with Cosmac. They are very highly efficacious, they are very responsive, they are very highly structured and systematic. So that's why I love to deal with Cosmac. They are very proper.
I would say that first thing is the panel testing, the clinical testing that they can provide to us. So it really saves our time and ensure the product efficacy. We can ensure that what we launch meet our expectations and also benefits our consumer.
So my hope is that Cosmac will invest highly in technology, research and development and innovation, because as we know that beauty industry is a very highly competitive, and one of things that I think we can win and when we have like the uniqueness of this kind of technology and research and development. So I will highly appreciate if Cosmac have certain local collaboration in Malaysia. I think Cosmac haven't done yet in Malaysia, and through the ROC we can have this local research with the local university. I think that would be great moving forwards in this Malaysian industry in cosmetic.
We have so far launched one product with PT Cosmac. So far it is still young in this market. We actually already have planned going forward to have more collaboration, more new products with PT Cosmac. I'm really looking forward to this product being developed by PT Cosmac. I believe PT Cosmac has a lot of experience. I think you have a very big group of R&D capabilities both in Korea and Indonesia. So we actually can work together closely to develop more of this kind of new products with your capability, with your R&D technology to cater to this market.
Jadi udah tergambarkan kan gimana kapabilitas Cosmax Indonesia bisa mendukung beauty brand kamu? Tunggu apa lagi? Hubungi kami di cosmax.co.id atau kontak yang tersedia di description box untuk terhubung dengan tim kami. That's it for this video. We say thank you, see you, and bye-bye!